bamboo shoot strips product of Thailand. It doesn't show up its color, but I have to make dinengdong Ilocano luto. Halo-halo na yung salita natin, no? Okay. There it is. This one, bambooshoots. That's how it looked like there. Wash it. So I strained it. I used a strainer. Alright, let's go and find saluyot or jute leaves in my garden. Join me. Anong nangyari na sa aking mga pananim? Binagyo na talaga. Kasi grabe yung masyadong windy ngayong araw na to. But look at this. Buhay na buhay pa yung aking alokbati. Oh, ang ganda, diba? Kasing ganda. Kasing gwapo nyo. But yung pinag-uusapan natin is saluyot, diba? So this is my saluyot. This is a jute leaves. And so let's go grab or get some of them if we can. So let's start it. We can get as many as we want. Maybe I can just get all the leaves because that's all I can get. Just the leaves for my cooking. I don't know. Maybe to my flower pa. This one also. It's long day at work. I just got home from work and now we have to cook. Mga nanay, buhay ng nanay. Luto tayo ng dinengdeng. We're gonna cook fillet or Ilocano dish using these jute leaves. That's how it looked like. Guess we have. Did you hear the kids down there? Because we have a neighbor that has a cute cat upstairs. He's really cute. So look at this one here. Oh, at least I have that. There's something I can put on my gulay. What else? Or where else to get this? I think that's it. I think that's it, folks, that I can get on these leaves. I took a lot of them. Yeah. Well, see, it's windy today. It's really windy. I tried my very best to get some. Alright. Oh, look at this one. I found more. Can you imagine that? Saluyot on top of our balcony. Natumba because it's so windy. Kunin na natin lahat. Ayun. Talagang may makukuha ako para sa labong kong gugulayin for my vegetable. I'm so happy. I thought, see, I planted them with the, I bought it. We bought it from the farmer's market with this. And so I said, just put it in the soil. And then look at what happened to that. Then I get saluyot. I'm so happy. I'm so happy I did. I didn't waste it. But instead, I had saluyot in the pot. Can't believe this, folks. Saluyot. Harvesting. Saluyot. Harvesting jute leaves from my garden, cooking Ilocano food. We're gonna put jute leaves on our labong or bamboo shoot. Okay, folks, I think we have it all the leaves. All right, let's go and cook. Here we go. Yung ating jute leaves from our garden. Oops! See? Yay! Jute leaves. So let's boil hot water. Since the water is so yellow because of the jute, not jute, it's the bamboo shoots, we have to change the water. So we have to start over. I changed the water. Let's boil it again. Now let's put tirol. Ubus na pala yung bagoong na yun. So ito na naman. Dinagdagan ko ng finest taste Pangasinan special bagoong. Hindi gulang kano. Now let's put our saluyot. Let's put dried shrimp. Let's eat.